Welcome to watch today's fresh home. Upper West Side Apartment by Clive Lonstein. Clive Lonstein transforms a classic Upper West Side residence into a loft-like retreat layered with art, vintage pieces, and a refined sense of ease. Stepping into the apartment, one is struck by the interplay of scale and softness. Sweeping views of Central Park unfold through black-framed steel doors, while the muted palette, white plaster, honed marble, and natural timber provides a calming backdrop to a richly textured interior. Originally compartmentalized and inward-looking, the home has been reconfigured to capture light and flow, balancing its pre-war architecture with the client's downtown sensibilities.